Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to share with you a program that I wrote yesterday while learning Laravel 11 in MySQL, a simple CRUD application that will allow the user to post, edit, and delete. So somewhat similar to a blog. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We will just have a walkthrough. So this is the sample program. This is the output. And then we will go to the code. No? I will put a link on my GitHub account where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free. So let's say we will create a new post by clicking this button, create new post. And then let's say for example, apple, the fruit that I like to eat every morning is apple. Now, having created this post, when we click the button post, it will save our post. Click. As you can see, no, we have already here the new post apple. So we have already add in our post. We can view by clicking the view button. Okay, we can see what is the content. Apple, the fruit that I like to eat every morning is apple. Back to post. We can edit if we want to. And then let's say the title will be apple every morning. Okay, that is the new title of our post. Click update. And then we go back, we have new title here, apple every morning. And then when I click the delete button, it will ask you to delete this post, yes or no. Are you sure you want to delete this post? Click OK if we want, or cancel. If we cancel, it will not delete. But if we click the OK button, it will remove. Okay. Now let us go with our code. No, I will just discuss briefly. No. So here, let us go with the controller. Post controller is the name. No. So the controller in Laravel, where all the operations or the logic is being performed. Let's say index, it will display here. This one refers to the view index blade. This one is the folder post, and then create, it will create, no? Create, and then we have here store. So store, it will save, no? In Laravel, the command is create to save. Okay? So success. And then we have here the fields, title and content. Show to display, edit, update, update command in Laravel, or to destroy or to delete this one. Okay. Next, we will go to the model post. So the model here is the fields that we want to put, no, in our program, fillable, title, and content. And then we have a database called post. So here, we just add this one, title and content. And then the most important also is we will go to the front end, no? The post folder, create blade. I'm using, no, by the way, app.js. Okay, bootstrap. Okay, create post here. Uh, bootstrap, no? Edit, and then index, the main post. Show, layout, which I include, no, the link of the bootstrap, no. Now, one of the things that I have learned, because if we put in the server the Bootstrap, it will consume data. So we just have the link here. And then the title, layout. This is the default in Laravel, so no need for us to configure. And then web, PHP, no? So we have here the route, post, oh, post controller. Where is the post controller on the top? Okay. So back to our program. That's it, no? So again, when we create a new post, just click this button. Okay, let's say for example, rainy days is coming. The weather this month of February is a rainy month. Click post. Okay, we have here. Now, we can modify if we want to this February. Okay, click update. It updates. And then we want to delete. Okay, it will delete. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on Laravel 11 in MySQL CRUD application. Thank you so much for watching and listening. So another questions. Where is our database? Localhost, PHP my admin. This is the only one that I'm using. And then I think this one, the CRUD too. Let us go back here. To identify the database, we will go to the no, the table, database, we will go to the ANV, no, this one. So CRUD app, the name of our database, CRUD app. Okay, just additional information because of so many codes here. Where is the CRUD app? Wait, is the database? Okay, here we go. CRUD app, and then go to the post. So we have here. Now another example. I will add one. Coding is fun. I love coding. That create post. It is saved. How do we know? We go to the table, just refresh. See? Record ID 8. I love coding is fun. I love coding. Okay, it's already saved. So that's it guys, no? So thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope that you have learned. I will put the link in my GitHub account where you can download the complete source code of our Laravel 11 MySQL CRUD application. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, no, if you like this video. Thank you so much. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.